Hello, this is Blue Skin Brian. I don't know what it is, but mistake. Okay, this is Daryl, the Great Soldier. Goblin, the Star Wars. No. Oh, has a helmet because it's sticking out. This is Spidey. Handlers or holders. This is for customizers. This is weapons. Okay, now we're making this cool Lego customizers. Okay, we're making up this first. The way, Andre, give me the hair. Thank you. Okay, put it like this. Okay, give me the weapon of Herobrine. This, and this. The handler. There. Put it in here. Okay, here. There. Weapon. Put it in the hand because it is weird, you know. Oh, light, thanks. Herobrine. I mean, blue skin guy. This is weird. Done. The next for Daryl. By the way, the video in part 1 is Anthony, my brother. Okay, I get this. The handler. By the way, I'm Angelo Maker. Yeah, here. Put it in the hand. Okay. There. Oh no, we are out of handlers. Maybe here. Okay, I got it. There. There's handlers and red lasers. It's good to look. Yep. We need a flashlight. Okay, here. Looks like Star Wars, huh? There. There. We're a little bit weirder viewers because it's our first time, you know. This is Spidey the Last. This is for part 1. This is part 1, by the way. You must look at part 2. Okay? At the last, let them stand. Okay. By the way, my helper's named Andre, my brother. Okay. Here's the part 1. Okay. So, watch part 2 for the next. You must look at this. Okay? Yeah.